Let's talk about digital wallets. But do me a favor, forget everything you think you know about them. Seriously, because we're about to get into why this tech isn't really about your money at all. It's about something way, way bigger, your entire digital life. So to really get this, we've got to completely rethink what that word wallet even means. I mean, it's not just for your cash and cards anymore, not by a long shot. It's really about who you are and what you can get into every single time you go online.
All right, quick question. When I say the words digital wallet, what's the very first thing that pops in your head? Come on, be honest. For most of us, right, it's probably paying for coffee with a quick tap of our phone.
Yeah, we pretty much all jump straight to payment apps. And look, that's not wrong, but it's only a tiny piece of the picture. It's kind of like saying a car is just a place to listen to the radio. The real deal, the true potential of a digital wallet is so much bigger, so much more important.
Okay, this right here, this is probably the single most important idea we're going to talk about today. So let's really let this one sink in. A digital wallet, it's not really a wallet. It's a keychain. And on that keychain, you've got the unique keys to your entire digital identity.
So you might be thinking, okay, but why? Why do we even need a new way to do things? If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Well, here's the thing. It is broken. The whole system we use to prove who we are online is a complete mess. And it's a frustration that I promise you every single one of us deals with all the time.
Just take a look at this. Does any of it feel a little too familiar? The endless cycle of making new accounts for everything, juggling a million different usernames, trying to remember dozens of passwords, or, let's be real, clicking that forgot password link for the 10th time this week. Ugh. And here's the real kicker. Every time we do this, we're just handing over more and more of our personal data to some company out there. And this is exactly where our new idea, our keychain, comes in. It's a totally different approach. It's simpler, and most importantly, it is so much more secure. So let's break down exactly how this thing works.
I mean, look at this. It really is a night and day difference, isn't it? Over on the left, that's the old way, the chaos. Dozens of logins, dozens of passwords, and your identity is basically held hostage by all these different companies. But on the right, that's the new way, just one keychain. And guess who's in control? You are, and only you. Instead of those easy-to-hack passwords, it uses something called cryptographic keys. Think of them less like a word you remember and more like a super complex, one-of-a-kind digital fingerprint. They are practically impossible to crack.
Okay, so how does this keychain actually work? It's actually way simpler than it sounds. Your wallet, your keychain, holds these unique cryptographic keys. When you want to get into an app, you don't type a password. You just prove you have the right key. It's like a secret, secure digital handshake that opens the door. And the best part? You're always the boss. You decide which doors your keys can open.
All right, so that's the theory, and it sounds pretty cool, right? But what does this actually look like when you're, just trying to use the internet? Let's check out what this future really means for you and me.
Okay, picture this. You find a cool new app you want to try. You go to the site, and instead of that screen we all know and hate, create an account, sign up with Google, enter your life story, it just says something like Connect Wallet. You don't give it your email. You don't have to make up another password. It just needs to see you have the key. You click one button, and boom, you're in. That's it. Simple, secure, and totally private. So if we're going to boil this whole thing down to one simple definition, here it is. A digital wallet is basically a tool that holds your cryptographic keys. It lets you prove who you are, and also what you own online, which is super important, all without having to deal with old-school accounts and passwords. It's your identity, finally on your own terms.
And that, really, is the biggest takeaway here. This whole thing isn't just a tech upgrade. It's a massive shift in power. It's about putting control back where it belongs, with you. It literally hands you the keys to your own digital kingdom. So the real question isn't what is a digital wallet anymore. The real question is, now that you hold the keys, what are you going to build?